This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to find and download Canva Invoices. So right here on Canva, you can see some of my projects here. What we'll do is we'll come down to the very bottom for the account settings. So you'll click this picture of yourself, or in my case, it's just the letter C for some bizarre reason. What we will do is we'll come about halfway down to settings. We'll click on settings. This will open up the main settings panel here for your profile. And then this side panel here, we will come down almost to the bottom. We have payments and plans, and we have orders and invoices right here. Once we click on that, we have all of the invoices that have been sent and also paid by you, sent by Canva and paid by you. And if you want to actually download one of these, you simply just have to click on View Invoice, and that will instantly download that to your downloads location. You can see that it has said that the invoice has been downloaded. That's how you do it. You just literally come into your settings, come to the bottom, orders and invoices, click on any of these, and that will download instantly to your main downloads location as set by your browser. Hopefully you have found this video on how to download orders and invoices on Canva useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.